Numbers 15, 16, I think for use 2021. Find the inverse for each function. So, number 15, if we're looking for the inverse, how do you find the inverse equation? What do you do? Switch the x and the y, but I don't see a y here. Where's the y? F of x is y, right? So we can just write y equals x plus 8 squared, and then we're going to switch the x and the y so we get x equals, right? And then we just need to solve for, y. We got to get y by itself. So what do I need to do first? Square root both sides, okay? So if I square root both sides, what should I have? If I square root both sides.
Y squared plus 64.
You're square rooting both sides. So you get the square root of x equals y plus 8, like this. Yes. However, remember, we're finding an inverse function. Okay, so there's no limit on the domain here, which means when we're looking for the inverse, we're going to have to use the plus and minus on the square root of x right there, because the domain's not limited. Okay, and then what else do we need to do after that? Subtract 8. And so what is my final equation going to look like?
Square root of x plus or minus square root of x.
Minus 8, like this. So the f negative 1 of x, which is f inverse of x, is plus or minus square root of x minus 8. That will be your answer. No, because, well, right here you can write equals y, but in the very end, right, you change the y to f inverse of x, because that's what you're looking for.